Does your spouse snore? Does your child with tubes gonna swim this summer? Do you like to shoot firearms? Let's talk about some custom options to help you dive into those activities. Whether you want custom solutions for hunting or swimming or sleep plugs, we have all of those options for you here at Complete Hearing. There are so many different pieces to accommodate what you like to do. Personally, I have custom musicians plugs because I like to attend concerts, but I still want the fidelity of music to remain there. So I have custom plugs that actually have filters in them so that I can still enjoy the fidelity of music. We also make custom plugs for swimming for kids. So if your child either doesn't like water in their ear when they swim, or if they have tubes in their ears, we can take custom molds and actually put those in every time that your child or family member swims and they don't get water down in their ear. We can also do sleep plugs. So if your spouse or family member snores and that keeps you up at night, we can make plugs that are very small that fit down in your ear to help alleviate some of that noise. Custom hearing protection is also another big piece that we do. So whether it is mowing the lawn or firearms or any type of noise exposure, we can make custom protection based off of the noise that you are in. So there is a difference for hearing protection for those who like to hunt recreationally versus those who maybe shoot trap. So we have all of the knowledge here at Complete Hearing to make the best decision for you or your family member based off of what you come in and tell us. So don't hesitate to give Complete Hearing a call. We have a lot of really great information and all of our audiologists are well trained on all of our custom products. If you have any questions, give us a call, 402-489-4418, or check out our website. We have some really nice information there for custom hearing protection, sleep plugs, swim plugs, all of that fun stuff. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.